Hey guys, it's Vince from CG Vinyl Studio, and of course it's been some time since we've done a video, and Joanna's filming right now. I'm going to show you why it's been some time. Right now we are in our basement, which has been converted over to one of our work areas. Now, when we started this business, we were in the other house. You guys seen that in the previous videos. You can see my other office is over there. That's my safe room. That is a safe door that you see on there. I will, as time goes by, show you the rest of the house. This isn't even a quarter of it, but there's no way we would be here today if we did not own this equipment, because I'm telling you right now, everything you've seen, unlike a lot of YouTube videos, this is fact. And you will see that more as we go through. Right now, we're actually doing some chrome. Once again, our AMA labels. And just so you know, the basement, just to give you an idea, this right now is 1,200 square feet. So we went from our entire house being about 1,200 square feet to just our basement now being 1,200 square feet. I also have another outbuilding on our 15 acres that is 1,200 square feet on top of, once again, where the safe room is, which is for my other business. Matter of fact, over there, you can see my MakerBot Method X. But seeing all this, I hope it motivates some of you to start taking action and think about how small of an investment you have to make to start getting that snowball started, because that's all of where it starts. You can see, of course, we're working with our chrome. We actually got an area set up, and we actually recorrelated how we're going to do everything so we can get it all set up correctly. Just hand it over. And then we're all good here. We're going to finish this up, and we'll show you exactly what the finished product looks like. Okay, guys, Joanna is going across and removing our tape that is holding the sheet down. Now, once again, this is really interesting to most of you, is that she hasn't started her day yet. She works from home. And once again, we usually do our prints in the morning. And now that we have plenty of room, it makes it much easier. Many of you have extra space. I cannot emphasize enough. It's clean. Once again, you can see the equipment right here. Everything is clean. Everything is set up nice. We're even lucky enough to have a mini sink down here. The homeowner that had this prior to us had a man cave down here, and we just naturally converted it over to make it more beneficial for what we're doing. You can see she's just trimming that tape off. And we've got a perfect sheet that's now ready to cut. She's also trimming the laminate. Once again, staying on the glass, because naturally you're not going to cut through anything. And we're good. She's got all that. I'll take the crap. And we're golden. You can see how this came out. Once again, when it's laminated. And these lights down here, believe it or not, we just had these installed. Cost us $3,000. These are all LED. Everything, all the way through. We got some here that are not even on yet. But that's vinyl too, guys, just so you know. But you can definitely see what you are left with. Amazing. Right now, we are all set, and we're going to go right over to the cutter, and we'll knock these out, show you exactly where we're at. Okay, guys, I am shooting over her shoulder right now, and we are in Vinyl Master. And you can see she's knocking this out. I'm just going to pivot real quick. Got the Suma all set up. Let's see if I can get that touchscreen without the lights kind of playing havoc on us. There we go. She's just fine-tuning everything. Setting our cutting force. One thing I want to point out, guys, you see that Linksys box right there. That is a Wi-Fi range extender. Right now we live in the Great Smoky Mountains, and honestly we are able to have high-speed internet, which is something that we searched long and hard for because it's very hard to do. You can see she's going, and it allows us, once again, to make sure that we have our signal downstairs. So all of our equipment is downstairs, and we've compartmentalized our living space upstairs. We're doing our scan right now, checking the registration marks. The beauty of this setup, of course, while they're cutting, I could be printing over there in 3D for my other business, and then this robot's doing this cut. So we're making how many streams of income going at once on top of when she goes to work in the morning. And then I'm working in the morning. So it's so easy to do when you figure out exactly how you can split your time. I'm just knocking them out. And there's the labels, done. She's gonna unload it. All set. And you guys can see them cut lines. Amazing. We're all set, guys. Vinyl Master, we get a lot of questions on, and you can see just how easy this is set up. I cannot emphasize enough, guys, get invested in a side hustle. It will make your life 10 times easier, and once you start getting it off the ground, if you're consistent, anything is possible. We're living proof of that. Okay, guys, we have this set of graphics for a client already done and weeded. You can see exactly what we've got here. Beautiful. And we get a lot of questions on seeing colors done on the HD metal. And these Rockstar graphics for sponsors are probably some of the best you will see as far as what colors look like. And again, this is done using the 3M laminate and the HD chrome, and these are really amazing. They have to be seen, especially in the sun. Once again, we're in LED lighting right now, but you can see how these reflect. It is absolutely insane. Put your hand over them, and they literally look like wet paint. In the sun, they give you a more anodized finish. So again, guys, keep the questions coming. Joanna and I will do our best to help you guys, again, achieve the success you're looking for on whatever substrate you're working with. The big thing here is never be afraid to ask too many questions prior to purchasing, just to make sure that you're buying the right product for what you're trying to accomplish. Thank you all for your support. Take care.